Page 426, number 7. Now we're looking at our sum and difference identities for tangent. And this is similar to number 3 and 5 that we have already done. But now we're asked to use the sum or difference identity to find an exact value of tangent of 5 pi over 12. So what we want to do again is find either a sum, adding or subtracting of two unit circle angles that, when simplified, is 5 pi over 12. So the two that I chose, and again, there's more than one way to do this, I decided to use pi over 6 plus pi over 4. And when I do that, to show you that it is 5 pi over 12, creating a common denominator, I have 2 pi over 12 plus 3 pi over 12, which will give you, when you add those two fractions, 5 pi over 12. So that's the identity I'm going to use. So I'm going to do tangent of pi over 6 plus pi over 4. And using my tangent identity, this becomes tangent of pi over 6 plus tangent of pi over 4, all divided by 1 minus tangent of pi over 6 times tangent of pi over 4. Now I just have to use my unit circle values and simplify this. So tangent of pi over 6 is square root of 3 over 3. Tangent of pi over 4 is 1. And then in the denominator we have 1 minus square root of 3 over 3 times 1. Now multiplying through by 3 over 3 gives us square root of 3 plus 3 over 3 minus the square root of 3. So to simplify this even more, I'm going to multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator, which would be 3 plus the square root of 3 over 3 plus the square root of 3. So that's going to give us multiplying this, I get 9 plus 6 square root of 3 plus 3, and the denominator will end up being 9 minus 3. So I get 12 plus 6 square root of 3 over 6, and simplifying, finally, I get 2 plus the square root of 3.